Namaskar. I am Dr. Robin Khosa, Consultant Radiation Oncology, Indraprasth Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. We are today discussing about ovarian malignancies. They are generally diagnosed in a late stages and very high mortality rates. It's because of this they are also called as silent killers. Now, why it happens that they are not diagnosed early? There is no specific symptom or sign which is associated with ovarian cancers. They generally present with very vague symptoms like bloating, pain, abdomen or pelvic pains, increased frequency of urination in females. There can be other like irritable bowel, early satiety, weight loss or distension abdomen. So it's very important that we are aware, we are educated about ovarian cancers. Now it's important to know who are those patients who are more likely to have ovarian cancers. It's the patients who have family histories. Women over the age of 50 years are more susceptible to develop ovarian malignancies. 8 out of 10 women are generally about 50 years when they are diagnosed with ovarian cancers. Breast cancer patients have slightly higher incidence of developing ovarian malignancies. Now the factors which are associated with the lesser incidence are like pregnancy, breastfeeding, to name a few. Even use of oral contraceptives has been shown to decrease the risk of ovarian cancers. So today, it's important to know about ovarian cancers. If they are diagnosed in the early stage, the overall survival rates are as high as 90%, which is like early stage malignancies where you can expect a complete cure. But once they become a late stage malignancy or an advanced stage ovarian malignancy, the survivals drastically reduce despite aggressive treatments, expensive treatments, and the survivals are just around 45%. So my advice is, please don't ignore your symptoms, be aware, be educated, and for any abnormal symptoms, please report to your physician. We at Apollo are now open, we are safe, we are following all the WHO recommended guidelines. We are a COVID safe premises. Thank you.